start it from the first. Okay. So, have you ever played a game where you need to find a toy, right? When they're missing a toy. So, you got to understand that you missed a toy. So, what do? Basically, you don't know where to start, right? You will be not knowing, you will be searching everywhere. So, can you relate the same thing? This is what happens in the data analytics industry as well, right? When we don't have a problem statement as well. Correct? So, problem statement is like a detective clue. It tells us what's wrong, why it is happening, how we can fix it with the data, right? Why it is happening, it tells us what's wrong and how we can fix with the data, correct? So now what we'll be going to do it is like we'll try to understand. I will try to break it down what things will be there. Okay. So let's discuss that. So we'll just revisit the problem statement once again so that you will understand once again the things. Okay. So let's say you have an ice cream shop. Okay. Let me grab this so that you understand. Let's say you have an ice cream shop. Okay. So what you do is you have a several flavors, right? You notice that the chocolate flavor is not selling well, right? What do you do? What would you do? I will put it into alternative. Okay. What would you do? I will just put it to this one. I will put this branching. Where is the branch? Did you see anywhere? Yeah. This is the thing. Correct. Arrow is not good. Okay. I will put it this one. So why I'm doing this? Do you know? Yes. What would you do? Okay. So what would you do? Basically, like you ask, right? Here, yes. What would you do? If it is the thing, right? If everything is, we're telling this is the thing, correct? Just give me a second. I will put it like this. So what would you do here? You will ask, why aren't people buying chocolate? Why aren't buying a chocolate? I need to change this thing. This thing 24. Why aren't buying a chocolate? So, this is a. You don't think this is a start of a problem statement? This is not a start of a problem statement. So this is what I wanted to say it to you. Like this is a start of a problem statement. Correct. So this is the start of problem statement. Okay. Is this making sense for you? like this diagrams, I think this is not good at the level, but it's fine for to understand. Okay. So like now, what do you say about now problem statement? Like, what do you want to say? What is a problem statement after we had this? So, what do you want to say for this? So, we are framing now. Okay. So, I given you the whole particular scenario. Now, frame it. What is a problem statement? And no, you noticed it. Yeah. No. By understanding this context, how would you define the problem statement? Can we say that problem statement helps us to identify an issue and solve it using data? It's not just about guessing, right? Like it's about using number, trends, and facts. So this is what can we say? Can we say the problem statement is something like this? So let me change it to this. So let me have it 64. Okay. So problem statement helps us to identify an issue, solve it using the data. It's not just about guessing. It's about using trends and facts. Correct? Yes or no? So that is what I wanted to trying to say, that problem statement is nothing. You are identifying an issue, like let's say see anywhere, yeah. Like problem statement is what? You try to see something. Let's say you find it out. Let's say in particular total some issue is there. You frame a problem. Right? You build a solution out of it. Solution is what? Using the data. You are solving it to building into the product. This is what the thing is. Data is what? You are trying to find it out, the solution in that. Correct? It may be some BI tool, it may be some or the other. Yes, correct. Understood. Right now you are able to understand what is a problem statement. Yes. Okay, so now we'll just get started with asking the right WH questions. Okay, so that it makes sense for you. Okay, so right now we'll just try to focus on that. Asking right WH questions. It takes time. Okay, I will not tell that it is a one day game, but it takes time. So after analyzing after working pretty much, then only you will understand what things is working for you, working not for you. Okay, so asking WH questions. So what this WH question is all about? So before solving any problem, okay, so let me put into the flow. So whenever you see this particular document, so you don't go with any of the documentation, but you will document it after understanding this. But it's like that. Okay, before solving any problem, we need to ask smart detective questions. Correct? Have you seen police how they are asked? They will be asking you questions. You don't think, are you not saying that they are a data analyst of criminal detective domain? Yes. Yes. So let's take an example from e-commerce website like Amazon. Okay, like an Amazon, we'll take it. So you will get better perspective all around, like what it is, how it is. So this is the thing. Correct. So this part I have nailed it. Okay. So tool is just a tool, right? Excel is just a tool, but you need to understand this critical aspect. Each and every AI tool will be going to do it. So now imagine sales are dropping. So this is a problem now. Okay. Imagine sales are dropping in Amazon. Okay. So now I will give you the task. Okay. Like the sales are dropping. So for that, what kind of a questions that you will ask? What kind of a questions that you would ask? Okay. Oh. So WH question means what? No. No. I will tell you. No worries. Okay, it will be having little bit gap in that, but I will make you understand. Okay. Try to understand these things whenever I am telling WH. See this. Are you able to see? Then what it will come? Yeah. Where? I'm just doing it. Just give me a second. Understood? Is this not this thing will help us to reach our data problem? Huh? So what I will do here, I will break it this one to this. Okay. So this one I have to break down to which object had a same object. Okay. So then I will put it the same object. So whenever you are talking about who, means what? Who is affected? Who is affected? Just tell me, who is affected? Yeah, who is affected? Customer, business and employee people, right? So you need to shall make it look like this. Correct. So what is happening? So let me put it this afterwards. Okay, let me explain put it to particular part. Otherwise, it will drag it to long videos. Okay. So who is affected? We understood customer, business, and employee. Yeah. So what is happening? Like, let's say when I'm telling what is happening, there will be a low sales, right? Customer churn, slow service. You have to understand from the data, right? Let's say you will having this particular framing by what WH questions you will be having, right? So how would you justify it? By reviewing the data of analyze DB or something or the other. Okay. So these are the things that you have to prepare from first of all. You have to collect the data, that will be resources that will be given by the company. Correct. So this is what I wanted to say. Okay. Where is an issue? Is that an issue from mobile users, website, or a specific product only it is an issue? When did this start? After a save or a website update? Correct. Why it is happening? Is the checkout process too long? Are the prices too high? Is this the data help? So this will the things, right? How the data will be helping? Like maybe the trends, maybe the feedbacks, maybe the shopping behavior. These are the things that you will lead to a problem statement, framing a problem statement. Okay. So these questions will help you out how you can frame a business problem statement. Basically. Correct. Business problem statement, not a data problem statement. Okay. So let's dive into now use case number 1. Okay. That is a finance domain. Basically. Okay. So in the finance, what happens? Imagine you are working for a bank, correct? Then and you notice that customers are closing their account. Then what you will do? What would you do as a detective? Yes. So this is a certain points. Okay. So maybe like you understood now little bit, but not exactly. But I can say like try to do the step by step. Who is what? Bank customers. What means what? What is happening? Accounts are being closed. Where? Most online banking users. Correct. When? Mobile, because of mobile update or website update. Why it is happening? Maybe app is confusing. Maybe the like bank is having higher fees, higher rate of interest. Like whenever interest and processing charges also it is high, right? How will the data help? How the data will help? You will check up the app reviews, check up the transaction logs, check up the complaints, whatever the complaints we are getting. So by asking this many questions, how would you frame the business problem statement? You will be framing like business problem should be like that. Understand closely understand this thing is very very important. Now, business problem statement is a statement where the business is heavily impacting. Correct. So this will be the business problem statement. Why are the customer closing their accounts after the app update? How can we improve the user experience to retain them? This is a what? Business problem, correct? Is it not business problem statement? Okay. Yes. So this is a business problem statement. So how would you convert this business problem statement into data problem statement? No. That are the solutions. You have to tell me the problem statement, data problem statement. These are the step by step of data science life cycle. Okay, let me give you a particular fair understanding to it. So, first of all, what you need to do? Why are the customer closing their accounts? For that, what would you do? If it is happening after an app update, what are the metrics that you want to do it? Okay. Then, in order to improve that, what would you do? That part you need to fill in. Okay. So let me frame this in a way. Okay, let's say let me take it. Okay. So what would you do? Analyze transaction history, app engagement metrics, and customer feedback to find a pattern in users drop off. Correct. So this will be the data problem statement. Correct. Yes. So you consider yourself as a business analyst, consider as well as a data analyst. So this will be your understanding to do this. Okay. This you have to do it. Okay. Got it? Is this correct? Okay. So now let's say I will throw you the problem statement. Okay. So you come up with that. So whenever there is a thing, you just share your screen. Try to demonstrate that. Okay. Just share your screen. This will be the use cases in interviews basically. If you go any of the interviews of another part, right? So this will be the thing. Yeah. So when you become that level, when you are practicing on those things on daily basis, correct? See, understand. It is not a rocket science. Problem statement is nothing but you find a problem in something. Okay, how would you do that? How would you justify that? How would you I saw one of the problem statement. You will try to solve it? No, you will not do that. You will try to research. You will convert it into what is a business problem. How is a data problem can solve? How I can generate a business out of it. Correct. Like any startup you started, I want to solve a big problem. Anyone starts like that? No. There is a need, there is a demand, there is a supply. Then also they will think about it. How can I make a money around it? Right. Solutions will be there. Solutions you will be providing. But money also here plays a major factor, right? So now we'll take a use case of gaming industry. Okay. So imagine a mobile game. Imagine a mobile game where players quit at level 5. Okay. Quit at level 5 what are the detective work as a data analyst you will be going to do it. First, WH. Second, business problem. Third, data problem statement. Okay, so I will just give you 5 minutes. Till then, you work upon those things. I will be back. Business problem statement. Then second, third, data problem statement. No. First is WH questions. Second is business problem statement. Third is data problem statement. WH questions, that is, you know, right? So WH question I already finished. Yeah. Okay. So I will be back. You just take your time to have an analysis. I hope you understood, right? So to wrap up these things, what I wanted to say is like we have to anybody if they see that this kind of a problem statement converting business, like converting the WH questions, then converting that to business problem statement, that to data problem statement, this will help. Okay, so like in the video I will be not demonstrating each and every use cases, but I have shown you only the finance part. Okay, restricted to certain levels. But there are okay now. Yes. Now try to figure out which domain that you need to. Let's say you wanted to become a data analyst into the policy bazaar, or do you wanted to become in this particular domain, or do you wanted to think that I need to have a best domain knowledge at least. Okay, so try to communicate with your father more. Like try to what are the key domain knowledge that I need if I wanted to become a insurance agent. So I'm not telling you to become an insurance agent, but some of the key domain insights, key domain knowledge you will get. Okay, he's already working into that sector, right? So you will get understanding. So yeah, so you can get that knowledge too, and then you can build your own portfolio and make that portfolio for your own sector. Better, you are better at this, not other at it. Okay. That's it from my side. Okay, so if you wanted to say anything, you can discuss. Okay, so what we can do tomorrow? Like, do you think we have? Okay, so tomorrow, what do you think? Which kind of a domain we should target? Okay, so shall we do it only for insurance sector? I will just show you. Like, first thing is I will show you how to think about it. I may not the best out of insurance domain, but I can give you the thought process. Okay, how you should think about it. Mhm. Okay. So I will do step by step. Okay. First question on that. So can we have like policy bazaar as an investment domain? Is it cool? Okay. Okay. So right now what I am thinking is we'll frame like this so we will get better understanding how to do it. So after that we will create sample projects altogether on it. So we will try to build frame a problem statement, conduct the research. Then we will try to build certain projects altogether for your own thing, and you can do that too. Okay. After this session, you don't forget to share the screenshot as well, so you can just okay. Okay. So like do you have any links that uh, that ChatGPT store which we I have created? Do you have that? No, no. Do you have the link within you, or if you have, just share with me? You can share in the group. I don't know what happened. Suddenly, group got deleted. I don't know. So let us group on. Let us group on. Why you wanted to do that? Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm just preparing for tomorrow. So it will help you out now. Hmm. I'm very happy tomorrow. Okay. Like so it will be very short, not that much hard. Okay. I will keep it as much uh, as less as possible so that you will not get. So you need to think about like one of the, let's say I have told about like business problem statement converting into that. Okay. So try to tell that what is a problem statement, how we can frame into the proper like something like that policy bazaar, and try which insurance is working well, which insurance is the best, and insurance is the best, and which insurance is not working well, which insurances customers are not buying. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow what I will tell you is to try to have like it's a kind of a twist to have it, but so just kind of a storytelling. Like why do some insurance policies sell like a hot cakes while others just sit then untouched? How do companies, how do policies, like how do like policy bazaar figure out which insurance plans people are avoiding? And most importantly, how does the data is solving all of this? Okay, so so we'll have a something like a understanding, like we have seen some data. So relevant to that, I will be gonna tell frame a problem statement. How will you think about any insurance use case? Okay, so then we can proceed further to take one particular data set from the Kaggle or anywhere. Okay, to build a study. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah, good.